The wait is finally over. Or is it? For years, the Fujifilm X-T series has been the gold standard for photographers who crave that tactile, soul-stirring experience, the click of a manual dial, the retro aesthetic, and that legendary Fuji color science. But as we stand in 2026, the whispers have turned into a roar. The Fujifilm X-T6 is no longer just a rumor. It is a looming shadow over the entire mirrorless industry. Think back to when the X-T5 dropped. It was a love letter to photographers, bringing us back to the photography-first roots. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But technology never sleeps. Sony is pushing AI to its limits, Canon is dominating the speed game, and Nikon has found its groove again. So, where does that leave Fujifilm? Where does that leave you? Today, we are peeling back the curtain on every single leak, every credible rumor, and the cold hard specs of the camera that is about to change the game. This isn't just an upgrade, it's an evolution. If you've been holding on to your X-T3, X-T4, or even debating an X-T5, you need to hear this before you spend another dime. Let's talk about the heart of the beast, the sensor. Rumors from highly reliable sources suggest that Fujifilm is about to debut the X-Trans CMOS 6HR BSI sensor. We are looking at a potential 40 to 45 megapixel powerhouse. But here is the kicker, it's not just about the megapixels anymore. The real magic lies in the X Processor 6. Imagine a camera that doesn't just see a face, but understands the scene through advanced AI integration. We are talking about autofocus that is so sticky, so fast, it feels like it's reading your mind. Birds in flight, fast-moving cars, or a chaotic wedding dance floor, the X-T6 is rumored to have a dedicated AI chip to handle subject tracking like never before. No more hunting, no more missed moments. But what about video? This is where things get controversial. The X-T series has always danced on the line between a pure stills camera and a hybrid beast. With the X-T6, the leaks suggest 8K video at 30 frames per second. Yes, you heard that right. 8K in an APS-C body. For the filmmakers, we are looking at 4K at 120 frames per second for those buttery smooth slow-motion shots that look like they belong on a cinema screen. And for the first time in this line, there is talk of internal 10-bit 4:2:2 recording across almost all modes. But wait, there's a catch. Will they keep the tilt screen for the purists, or go fully articulating for the creators? The community is divided, but the latest schematics point toward a refined, multi-angle tilt mechanism that satisfies both worlds. Now, let's talk about the one thing that makes a Fuji, film simulations. We've heard whispers of two brand new simulations debuting with the X-T6. One is rumored to be a cinematic, high dynamic range profile inspired by 70s Hollywood film stock, and the other is a reimagined Reala Ace for the modern era. Imagine having that finished, professional look straight out of the camera, saving you hours in Lightroom or DaVinci Resolve. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. With great power comes a higher price tag. The global market has changed, and the X-T6 is expected to launch at a price point that might make some of us blink. Is it worth the premium? When you consider the rumored 8 stops of